I remember one time, it was Valentine's Day. Me and this friend of mine went to the flower shop to get our wives some flowers. Well, on the way, I had a old 77 CJ Jeep. And on the way, I thought it'd be cool to run over a hedge, so I did. And we went inside there, and he goes up to the counter and he's ordering some damn flowers or something, I don't know. And so I'm just kind of out walking around the flower shop, and I find these ones. They're red and white. I mean, they look really nice. So I told the lady I want to get these right here. So I went ahead and I bought the flowers and everything. I didn't know at the time they were artificial. But if you stop and think about it, that's kind of a good idea because they will last forever. Think about it. You don't have to buy them again next year. So, so I went ahead and I bought the flowers and everything, and then we left, and I ran over the hedge again because it's kind of tilting over, and I thought I might be able to push it back up. I don't think it worked because we left after that. We went out. We just kind of out riding around, drinking a beer or two. Don't ever tell a cop you're drinking more than two. So we were drinking a beer or two, and it had been raining. We went out and got stuck just bigger than shit in that Jeep. And I had to go call this friend of mine to go get his Ford Bronco, goddamn street tires and shit. I felt about this tall. And he come and pulled us out. Whenever I got home that night, she was pissed, and I still can't figure out why.